Hello all. Today you will understand the role of a project manager. A project manager leads a set of project team members and is responsible for achieving the objectives of the project. He is the single person who is responsible for for the achievement. There is an easy analogy for a project manager. You can compare the project manager to the conductor of an orchestra. When you look at the number of people involved in an orchestra, there could be 100 people involved. There could be 25 different kinds of instruments that the members of an orchestra could play. Similarly, in a large project, there could be about 100 people involved, and they would have experience and expertise in designing, manufacturing, facilitating. The experience and expertise they have are in different areas. The project manager may not know everything, but the team that he or she manages have experience in their respective areas. They belong to different business units and get involved in the project. So the people would have varied skills, varied knowledge, similar to how it is in an orchestra, where the instrumentalist would have understanding and knowledge of music in using different instruments. The project manager is responsible for the outcome of the project. Similarly, the conductor of the band is responsible for the final outcome. The vision, mission, and objectives are set by the conductor for the orchestra and by the project manager for the project, based on what the management decides that the orchestra should do or the project should do. They are the ones who produce the schedules. In the case of a project, the project management manager is the one who coordinates, comes up with a schedule, who needs to do what, when, what is needed for that job, what are the dependencies. Similarly, in an orchestra, it is the conductor who uses his baton to say when, which, what has to be done, and what is the outcome. What is the schedule, when it should be performed, when people should gather, where, all those decisions. I hope it's getting clearer in your mind for you. Similarly, the knowledge and skills. In the case of an orchestra, the conductor may not know how to play the instrument. He may not be an expert in each of those instruments, but he or she should have good knowledge of how things happen and how should have a good musical understanding and knowledge. Similarly, a project manager may not know how to do each of those work that the project members do, but should have a fair understanding of the project technicalities, the project management strategies, and what the outcome is, how it should happen. Should have a fair understanding and experience of managing the project and the kind of project and the domain and the functionality, the technicalities, should have a good understanding. So that's the analogy. I hope it's 100% clear inside your mind now. Thank you.